If you are experiencing crashing issues with your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. This guide will help you identify and fix common causes of crashes. Step 1. Check for system updates. Ensure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, then System and select System Software. Choose System Software Update and Settings to check for updates and install any available updates. Step 2. Rebuild database. Rebuilding the database can help fix issues related to corrupted data. Turn off your PS5 completely, then hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via USB and select the Rebuild Database option from the Safe Mode menu. Step 3. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can resolve performance issues. Turn off your PS5, then unplug it from the power source for at least 30 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on to clear the cache. Step 4. Check for faulty game disks or downloads. If the crashes occur with specific games, check if the game disk is scratched or damaged. For digital downloads, try deleting and reinstalling the game to ensure there are no corrupted files. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, it may be a hardware problem. Contact PlayStation support for further assistance or consider sending your console for repair. By following these steps, you should be able to address the crashing issues with your PlayStation 5. If problems continue, seeking professional help is recommended.